Want to completely transform your floors in just one day without the stress of messy renovations? Carpet tiles are the perfect solution. In 2025, carpet tiles are trending for modern homes, offices, and commercial spaces because they combine style, comfort, and practicality. The best part? You don't need days of work or expensive professional installations. With carpet tiles, you can achieve a fresh, luxurious floor makeover in just hours, giving your space a clean, modern, and elegant look. Let's dive into everything you need to know to install carpet tiles quickly and create stylish results. Why carpet tiles are perfect for modern spaces. Carpet tiles are small, square pieces of carpet that are designed for easy installation and flexibility. Unlike traditional carpets, they offer quick installation, perfect for busy homeowners or office renovations. Endless design possibilities, mix colors, patterns, and textures for a custom look. Easy maintenance, individual tiles can be replaced if damaged, saving time and money. Durability, built to withstand high traffic in living rooms, offices, and commercial areas. Carpet tiles are both practical and stylish, allowing you to customize your floor according to your interior style and personal taste. A smooth and clean surface is essential for a flawless installation. Start by removing any old flooring, debris, or dust. Checking for uneven surfaces and fixing minor imperfections. Making sure the floor is dry and level to ensure the tiles adhere properly. A well-prepared base is the secret to achieving seamless, professional-looking results. Before sticking down tiles, plan your layout carefully. Start from the center of the room or a visual focal point for symmetry. Dry-fit tiles to see how the colors and patterns will align. Decide whether you want a uniform look, checkerboard pattern, or creative geometric design. Proper planning ensures the finished floor looks balanced, modern, and luxurious. Depending on the type of tiles, installation can be incredibly simple. Peel and stick tiles, remove the backing and place the tile on the floor. Press firmly for a secure fit. Adhesive tiles, apply carpet adhesive evenly on the floor, then place tiles carefully, pressing down to stick. Align edges and patterns, make sure all tiles meet cleanly at seams to avoid gaps. Trim for edges, cut tiles to fit along walls and corners for a perfect finish. With these steps, even a medium-sized room can be transformed in just a few hours, giving you instant results. Carpet tiles aren't just functional, they're a chance to show creativity. Mix neutral shades for a modern, elegant look. Combine bold colors to create a statement floor. Alternate textures like looped, cut pile, or patterned tiles to add depth. Try geometric or abstract layouts for a designer-level finish. This flexibility makes carpet tiles perfect for modern, contemporary, or even eclectic interior styles. Step 5. Maintenance and longevity. One of the biggest advantages of carpet tiles is easy upkeep. Vacuum regularly to remove dust and dirt. Spot clean spills immediately to avoid staining. Replace individual tiles if worn or damaged instead of redoing the entire floor. This ensures your floors stay stylish, comfortable, and luxurious for years. Step 6. Transforming any space. Carpet tiles are not limited to living rooms. They work perfectly in bedrooms for soft, cozy underfoot comfort. Offices and commercial spaces for durability and professional aesthetics. Hallways and entryways to make a bold statement and add warmth. In every space, carpet tiles provide instant style, modern appeal, and practical benefits. With carpet tiles, you can achieve a luxurious, stylish floor makeover in just one day. The combination of fast installation, endless design options, durability, and easy maintenance makes them the perfect flooring choice in 2025. For premium and expert guidance, explore flooringdubai.com, your destination for stylish, high-end flooring that transforms any space effortlessly. Transform your floors, elevate your interiors, and enjoy a modern, comfortable, and elegant home with carpet tiles today.